Hi all, this is Sumit Kumar Das from Informatica Global Customer Support Team. Today we will see more about MFT Date and Timestamp Unit. MFT Timestamp and Dates. In managed file transfer, we can create and manipulate the current date and timestamp. This can be possible using the variables which can be initialized to the current date, time, or timestamp within a project. These variables can then be sent to used as attributes within tasks in projects. In the date manipulation section, we can add the dates, day of month, year, and hours also. Let's have a demo on it. So here I have already created one project named as date underscore unit. We can see the location of the project from here, like it is inside the root folder. So if I go inside my project date underscore unit, then I can see how to achieve the functionality using this timestamp. So in order to get the timestamp, we have to go inside this miscellaneous folder, and there I can find out this timestamp. You just have to drag and drop it over here. It will simply, you can just drag and drop. Let me show you. You can choose your place where you want to drag and drop. So let me drag and drop above the already created one. So this is the new timestamp you will get. Let me remove it. Saving the projects. Okay, so this is the main of the project, or you can say the starting point of the job. If I go inside the timestamp created, I have labeled it as timestamp underscore one. So here you can find some options, like in case if you want to control the functionality of this timestamp, like you want to change the log level, or you want to have any condition to have an execute only if, then you can add all those controls over here. Similarly, on if this a timestamp get error out, then here you can use these options like abort, continue, call, module, extra. So our main focus target is on the format point. So what happens is when you right click on this timestamp, you will get this format option. You just have to select it. You can see like it is written over here as a specify a custom date slash time format. So this is the format, and it consists of two tabs called as basic and the data manipulation part. So in the output variable, you have to give a name to this format. I have given the name as to print, and here I have used a pattern. So if I click over here, you will get this variable options, which has a show variable options. So you can see like I have used the field value as YYYYMMDD. Similarly, you can choose any of your variable which you want, like current date, current time. So if you can see over here, like it contains the current time in ISO, HHMMSS format. You can also use the same format here. Let me cancel it. So what is our task? Our task is to know about how a date manipulation works. So if you can see here, it will print out the date and time related to the current MFT server time. But if I want to manipulate this date, then I have to select this option. If you see here, there are certain options which are present here, like a day of month, year, hour, minute, second, and millisecond. So if I say, if it is add selected the option as +1, then whenever the project executes, it will print the date as +1 date of the current date. For an example, right now the current date is 14th July 2021, then it should add 15th July. Since I have added month also, then it should add 8th of this month, 8th month of this year. Let me execute it. Let me go to the jobs. So this job log, if you can see here, see the new date created is 2021-08-15. Today is 14th day, and now it is printing me the 15th day of this month, and 8th month of this year. So you using this date manipulation tab, you can manipulate the days according to your need. And I have also added a set variable here, and inside the text I just append these two variable options from the format. You remember I told you I have given the name of this format as to underscore print. I use the same name here so that it will print the value inside to underscore print as a new date. So whenever I execute this project, if I go to the log, you can see new date is here, so that these new values are appended. So I hope like you get an idea like how we can manipulate and play with the time and dates. Similarly, if you want to achieve more functionality, you have to click here, and suppose you want current time also. So you see like current time is in ISO format, that is HH colon MM colon SS. Let me add it over here also in this way, HH colon MM colon SS. Click on done, save the changes made and execute. So you can see it is also printing the time also. We would love to hear from you. You can drop us an email at supportvideos@informatica.com. Also, you can send any query at our Twitter account InfaSupport. Thank you.